Hi guys, I'm Maria from Brianna's Braids and I have Brianna with me today and we want to show you an easy Easter hairstyle. So let me bend you a little bit and turn. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let's get started. Start off by putting a hair in high ponytail, and I will make a simple 3-strand braid by putting the left strand over the middle and right strand over the middle. Tie the braid in the end and make a bun. But I don't know that much about you. To make it easy to weave the ribbon, I'm using the plastic needle and you could find it at any craft supplies. Now start from the back of the head, make your first stitch, and I'm keeping about an inch distance between each stitches. Go all the way around the bun until you meet the ribbon again. Probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Why can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you act, and how you. Once you reach the back of the head again, just let the ribbon out of the needle and we will now start with the second line. And I'm taking the yellow ribbon, I'm weaving it so that the ribbon shows where the blue ribbon didn't, to achieve that basket weave look. Continue all the way around the head until you reach the end at the back. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Why can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? And taking the last purple ribbon, I'm following the same pattern as my first blue ribbon. So continue weaving this purple ribbon all the way around the bun until you reach the back once more. Now take your ribbons and I'm taking each color in each hand, making a simple knot and tying it into a bow, and you're all done. Ask you all my questions. Alright, let's do a final step. Why can you be trusted? Will you take me? I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorial is being uploaded. And as usual, all the products that we've used in this video I will link down in the description box. And we'll see you next Thursday for another tutorial. Bye!